How to accept tag request on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can actually accept tag request on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to accept tag request on Facebook, just go ahead and then open the Facebook app. Then once you open the Facebook app, just come to your profile page over here. Once you come to your profile page, you might need to scroll and then you'll find the option called manage post. So right under post you'll find the option called manage post, so just make sure to tap on that option. So when you tap on the manage post option, basically you'll be able to see all these sorts of information, and if you scroll and then you'll be able to find the post that you're tagged in. So over here you can see that's the post that I'm tagged in. If you want to approve of this tag, what you can do is just tap on the next option. If you want to approve it, you can tap on approve, or you can tap on the remove tag button if you want. If you want to delete the post, tap on delete or hide from timeline, whatever else you prefer. But basically this is it on how you can accept tag request on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.